our world, with so much information, we still have trouble answering the simple question, what should I eat to be healthy? I'm Dr. Sastre, and I research how to maximize the impact of food as medicine interventions to treat or prevent conditions like heart disease and diabetes. Why we eat what we do is complex. To improve what ends up on the plate, we need multi-layered, evidence-based strategies. Picture this. A patient with high blood sugar is told to lose weight. They're told to eat healthier, but they don't like to cook, they can't afford healthy food, and they just don't like the taste of vegetables. But what if they were provided a prescription, redeemable for fruits and vegetables, plus the opportunity to learn how to make them enjoyable with simple, inexpensive, popular recipes, like fries from asparagus or carrots? My research has found food prescriptions are a start, but culinary support and food literacy-centered education is just as important, delivering results powerful as medication, but with a side effect you'll love, a healthier heart. And that's what I do at ECU.